If you've been watching this channel for a while, or if you've been following the Suburban, you know that it has really low compression. So I did engine restore, drove for 500 miles, and did a bunch of tests along the way. Here's what happened. Now that that's in the engine, we're going to go drive around 30-45 minutes. We'll let it sit overnight, and then I'll do a compression test again in the morning. Don't want to forget the speedometer. There was a road rage shooting here at this school like yesterday. Some guy died, man. Right up there. As you can imagine, every dumbass with their family is out here during the fall when the colors change, trying to get family pictures in the middle of the damn road while there's cars coming. Alright, day number 2. Let's get this plug off. Oh, this was the number 1 cylinder. It has some really weird buildup on the electrode and the ground strap. Like I said, this thing's at the end of its life anyway, so it's not really going to matter that much. Very important note, I'm only showing you cylinders 1 and 3, because cylinders 1 and then every other cylinder but 3 read the same through this entire test. So assume that cylinders 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are all the same. Let's see what we got here. I think this one was the highest before. We'll see. That's not bad, actually. I guess it was working after all. Hopefully it's more than 90. Well, it's a little higher. It's not that much higher. Put our coil wire back on. There we go. Okay, well, we came out to the middle of nowhere just to kind of put some miles on the Suburban. It's been about 105 miles, so I'm going to let the Suburban cool down so that I can touch around the engine, and then we're going to do another compression check. Didn't come down here last time. Alright, it's windy as hell, but we're going to do this again. And it is currently at, what, 110? No, 105. Not promising. Yep, let's get this hooked back up and we'll head home. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I got some sick pictures during this trip, so even if the engine restore didn't work, I got good pictures. Alright, it's the next day. This is check number 3. And number 1 is at about the same, 115, so it is slightly going up. And it's gone back up to like 95-ish, something like that. So that's cylinder number 3. And so now I'm just going to drive the Suburban to work every day this week, and then we'll give it another test on Saturday before we go to work. So we should have about 500 miles or so on this test, and then obviously I'll keep you posted in the future. But it's looking promising. Alright, here we go. Last check. Gone about 500 miles. Right at, yeah, about 115, so about the same as it was before. A little over 90, so a little bit better than it was before. Well, with that, all our testing is over with. And I don't think that I feel comfortable driving the Suburban long distances, even with the improvement. It did go up 30-ish PSI, maybe 40 in some places, but 120 PSI max is not really worth risking, I guess. Plus, the Suburban has other problems. The spark plugs have some weird wear on them. I don't know what's going on there. But I hope this video was informative and entertaining to you. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. I will see you next time. Have a good week.